Mascaras, lash lengthening mascaras, lash curling mascaras, lash volumizing mascaras. How many mascaras have you bought till date, waiting and wondering which one is the one for you? I have spent a lot of money trying and buying a lot of mascaras, but what if I told you that it's really not much to do with what mascara you're using, but how you're applying it on your lashes, which can completely change your lash game. Today's video is going to tell you 3 simple tips that's going to completely let you get mind blown in the way your lashes will look regardless of what mascara you're using. Hey guys, welcome to What Makeup. If you're new here, then hi, I am Bon and welcome to my channel. Starting off with the 3 golden tips, and the best tip is saved for the last, so stick out till the end of this video. I'm using the basic L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. Tip number 1 that you need to do is, while a lot of you and the most of you and even me, I used to apply my mascaras by wiggling the wand on my lashes, taking it down to upside. That's not what you want to do. What you need to do is hold the mascara straight parallel to your lash line. You want to swipe your lashes on the wand like so that this basically makes the product get coated from the tip to the bottom of your lashes all over and give you more fuller and thicker and more voluminous lashes overall. Tip number 2, I'm switching my mascara with a Maybelline Colossal Mascara, and like I said, it doesn't matter what mascara that you're using. Tip number 2 is especially for people who struggle with their mascara transferring to the lower lash line or upper lash line, and especially I think the lower lash line, because you've put in so much of hard work to do your concealer, your color correcting, your foundation, your eyeshadow, your kajal, and then the mascara gets transferred. Well, this is the tip that's going to really work. What you need to do is, instead of holding your mascara like this and going in your lower lash line, make it at a right angle vertical to your lash line and wriggle it on the, sorry I can't talk when I'm doing it, on the lower lash line like so. This is basically going to not transfer the mascara to your lower lash line but also coat every lash hair separately and give you more voluminous lashes even on the lower lash line. And I've got to thank the person at the MAC store so many years ago who told me about this trick. It has been an absolute life and a game changer when it comes to my mascaras. And there we go. And before tip number 3, a word from my sponsor. And finally, tip number 3 and the best tip, and you're most welcome. Before I even tell you this tip, I'm using the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara. Doesn't matter what mascara you're using. What you need to do while applying your mascara is, while of course I said just hold it parallel to your lash line and go like this, just do this simple tip of pulling out your lash line and the eye area, the skin around your eye area like so. This basically opens up every lash hair and every part of your lash line more for the product to go in. So when you wriggle the wand on the lash line and swipe the lashes on the mascara wand like this, you have lashes that look like falsies. I mean, ignore a little bit of the transfer that happened because I'm getting very hyper applying this, but you guys can see so much volume and so much length. It almost looks like I'm definitely like wearing lashes. It's just by pulling the lash line out like this. So if you do this, you get lashes that look like falsies. So that's it for 3 golden tips for changing your mascara game and making the most out of whatever mascara that you're going to purchase, high-end or drugstore, cheap or affordable or expensive ones. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you thumbs it up. Make sure that you would also subscribe to my channel if you're enjoying the content and you want to watch more of me and content that I make. Also hit the notification bell because I'm uploading a video every Monday and you don't want to miss that when I upload it. I'll see you guys next week. Have a great week ahead. Stay safe. Take care. Bye.